everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest home improvement tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone planning a bathroom remodel, the 7 bathroom design regrets and costly mistakes to avoid. Trust me, you'll want to stay tuned to avoid these pitfalls and save yourself both time and money. So, let's get started. 1. Ignoring ventilation. First up, ignoring ventilation. A bathroom without proper ventilation can lead to mold, mildew, and peeling paint. Always install a good exhaust fan and, if possible, add a window for natural ventilation. This will help keep your bathroom fresh and reduce maintenance costs in the long run. 2. Lack of storage. Next is the lack of storage. It's easy to get caught up in the aesthetics, but practical storage is essential. Lack of storage can lead to a cluttered and disorganized space. Plan for plenty of cabinets, shelves, and even niches in the shower to keep everything tidy. 3. Using cheap materials. Using cheap materials is a big mistake. Low-quality tiles, fixtures, and cabinetry might save you money initially but will wear out quickly, leading to higher replacement costs. Invest in durable, high-quality materials that will last longer. 4. Poor lighting. Lighting is another crucial aspect that's often overlooked. Relying solely on an overhead light can create harsh shadows and make your bathroom feel smaller. Layer your lighting with a combination of task lighting, ambient lighting, and accent lighting to create a bright and welcoming space. 5. Skipping professional help. Skipping professional help can lead to costly mistakes. While DIY projects can save money, some aspects of bathroom design require professional expertise. Professionals should handle plumbing, electrical work, and major structural changes to ensure safety and quality. 6. Ignoring ergonomics. Ignoring ergonomics is another common regret. Make sure the sink and countertop heights are comfortable, and there's enough room to move around. Ensure your bathroom design is not only beautiful but also functional and comfortable for everyday use. 7. Neglecting aesthetics. Finally, neglecting aesthetics is a regret you don't want to have. Your bathroom should be both functional and beautiful. Choose a cohesive color scheme, match fixtures and finishes, and a decor that reflects your style. A well-designed bathroom can enhance your daily routine and add value to your home. There you have it, folks. 7 bathroom design regrets and costly mistakes to avoid. We hope these tips help you create a bathroom that's not only stunning, but also functional and long-lasting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends for more tips and tricks.